Transform your Canon EOS Rp into a professional live streaming powerhouse with this comprehensive guide. First, let's get you connected. The EOS Rp offers flexible connectivity options for the most straightforward setup. We'll utilize its USB-C port directly to your computer, ensure you have a good quality USB-C data cable that supports high-speed transfer. Before connecting, it's a good idea to insert a formatted SD card into your camera. While we're streaming directly, having a card in can prevent potential error messages on some setups. Now, let's talk software on your computer. You'll need Canon's EOS Webcam utility software. This free download from Canon's official website allows your EOS Rp to be recognized as a webcam. Install it, and then launch it. With the software ready, let's optimize your camera settings for the best live stream quality. Navigate to the camera's menu on the Setup tab, usually denoted by a wrench icon. Find the HDMI output settings here. You want to ensure the HDMI info display is turned off. This will give you a clean video feed out of the HDMI port if you choose that route later, or for potential monitoring. Next, in the shooting menu, go to movie recording size for live streaming. A resolution like 1080p Full HD is usually ideal for broad compatibility and good quality. Make sure movie recording quality is set to a good standard, avoiding the highest compression if possible, but balance this with your computer's processing power. For smooth and engaging live streams, autofocus is key. Go to the autofocus settings and consider enabling face tracking or eye tracking. This will help keep your subject, usually yourself, in sharp focus without manual adjustments. Power management is also crucial. Ensure your camera is powered by an AC adapter or a dummy battery connected to mains power. Relying on the camera's internal battery for long streams isn't practical. Also, make sure your battery is fully charged if you're using it as a backup. Once your EOS webcam utility is running and your camera is connected, it should automatically detect the EOS Rp. Now, open your preferred streaming software like OBS, Streamlabs, or Zoom, and select the Canon EOS Rp as your video source. You should see an instant, high-quality feed from your camera, ready to go live.